Aging is often portrayed as a slow, inevitable unraveling, but at the cellular level, it can look more like a biochemical bar fight. The chief culprit? Oxidative stress, that messy process where reactive oxygen species, ROS, damage DNA, proteins, and lipids, turning once functional cells into exhausted versions of themselves. ROS aren't inherently bad. They're byproducts of normal metabolism and even play signaling roles. But when their levels overwhelm the body's antioxidant defenses, chaos ensues. Over time, oxidative stress becomes one of the most relentless drivers of biological aging, linked to everything from wrinkles and joint pain to cancer, neurodegeneration, and cardiovascular disease. So, how do we fight back against this molecular mayhem? Enter nature's antioxidant dream team: psilocybin, quercetin, and astaxanthin. These three compounds may hail from wildly different corners of the natural world: psychedelic mushrooms, fruits and vegetables, and marine algae, respectively, but they share an impressive ability to calm oxidative storms and restore balance in aging cells. Let's start with psilocybin, the serotonin-altering compound found in magic mushrooms. While better known for its mind-expanding effects, psilocybin's influence reaches surprisingly deep into the cellular trenches. Once metabolized into psilocin, it binds to 5-HT2A receptors not just in the brain but also in immune cells and the gut, triggering a cascade of downstream effects that include reduced inflammation and, yes, lowered oxidative stress. Though direct antioxidant activity isn't its primary mechanism, studies in rodent models show that psilocin can reduce oxidative damage markers in brain tissue, particularly in contexts of chronic stress or neuroinflammation. One theory is that by improving mitochondrial function and reducing stress hormone output, like cortisol, psilocybin indirectly improves redox balance, allowing cells to detoxify more effectively and repair oxidative damage. In other words, while psilocybin doesn't mop the floor itself, it tells the cleaning crew to get moving. Now compare that to quercetin, a veteran antioxidant and senolytic compound found in apples, onions, capers, and citrus. Quercetin works more directly, neutralizing free radicals by donating electrons and upregulating endogenous antioxidant enzymes like superoxide dismutase, SOD, and catalase. It's been shown to reduce lipid peroxidation, a major form of cell membrane damage, protect mitochondrial DNA, and even support the recycling of oxidized glutathione, the master antioxidant. What makes quercetin especially valuable in aging is its dual role. It doesn't just fight oxidative stress, it also clears senescent cells, which are major ROS producers. Essentially, quercetin not only extinguishes the biochemical fire, but also helps kick out the arsonists. Then there's astaxanthin, the deep red carotenoid that gives salmon and flamingos their vibrant hue. Often called one of the most powerful antioxidants in nature, astaxanthin's structure allows it to span lipid membranes and neutralize free radicals inside and outside the cell. Unlike some antioxidants that can become pro-oxidants under stress, astaxanthin remains stable, reducing singlet oxygen and superoxide radicals without generating additional oxidative byproducts. Clinical studies show that astaxanthin supplementation improves skin elasticity, reduces muscle fatigue, supports cognitive function, and lowers oxidative markers in the blood, particularly relevant for aging tissues with high oxygen demand like the brain, eyes, and heart. It's the quiet bodyguard of cellular health, patrolling your membranes and silently neutralizing threats without fuss or side effects. Each of these compounds tackles oxidative stress in its own style. Psilocybin calms the upstream chaos. By modulating stress, inflammation, and mitochondrial performance, it sets the stage for better redox balance without acting like a direct antioxidant. Quercetin takes a more aggressive approach, sweeping up ROS while also addressing their source, the dysfunctional cells generating them. And astaxanthin acts like a structural shield, embedding itself in your cells and offering long-lasting, broad-spectrum protection. When combined with healthy lifestyle choices, like fasting, exercise, or sleep optimization, these natural compounds may do more than just slow aging. They could help recalibrate your entire oxidative stress response, shifting your biology out of survival mode and back into repair, resilience, and regeneration. The message is clear. The battle against aging isn't lost to time, it's lost to imbalance. And the right allies, plucked from the forest floor, the produce aisle, or the sea, might just be enough to tip the cellular scale back toward youth.